I got the Mainstays office chair for $59 from Walmart. Let's open it up. It's glued on there. It's glued on the inside too. Has a do not return number. Open this up. Some cardboard. Some more cardboard separating the chair. Pull it out piece by piece. Here's the cushion. The limited warranty came out with the assembly instructions. Let's pull out the next piece. Here's one of the arms. Take the cardboard out. There's the other arm. Open that up. Take the cardboard out. There's the back. Take the cardboard out. Two of the feet. The wheels. We have some bolts and an Allen wrench and another rod piece here. We have the seat adjuster bar. Finally, the rest of the feet. First up, we're going to take the base, which is part 2, flip it over. Then we're going to attach the legs, which is part 3, to the base. So put that one in, put that one in. Then we need bolts A1 and our Allen wrench. These two are bolts A1. So I'm just going to put each bolt in there. Start it by hand. Bolt A1 and the other bolt A1. Take out the Allen wrench and tighten these up. Tighten the other one up. Next, we're going to open the caster wheels, which is part 1. And then we're just going to press these wheels into the feet. They should just slide in. Now our wheels are attached. Flip over the base. And we'll attach part 4, which is the gas lift, which is in this brown box. Pull that out. So we'll just put that in the hole. We'll move this out of the way. Now we need to work on the cushion. Flip it over. Now we're going to attach part 5, the seat plate. Take that out of the packaging. We'll point this towards the front and then start attaching it with bolts A2. So we'll put these bolts in by hand and then tighten them up with the Allen wrench. Now that I have them in, I'll tighten them up. Tighten this bolt up. and continue until all bolts are tight. Okay, next up we're going to take the seat cushion and put it on the gas lift. Just slide it on. Next I'm going to take the left arm and attach it to the seat cushion. This is part 6A. I'm going to use the bolts A3 to attach it. Start those bolts and turn them with the Allen wrench. So I'll just tighten that up. Move it into place and tighten it more. Put in another bolt. Tighten that up with the Allen wrench. Next we'll attach the right arm, which is 6B, with the same bolts, A3. Get one started, turn it with the Allen wrench. We'll put the bolt in the back hole, line that up, and then tighten it up with the Allen wrench. Next up, we'll attach part 8, the back cushion. Start from the front and push back. Then you'll be able to get the back cushion in between the arms. Make sure everything's lined up. And then we can attach the back with bolts A3. So we'll put those in there and tighten the bolts up with our Allen wrench. Put the bottom bolt in. Once that's tight, turn the chair around. And we'll do the same thing for the other bolts. Tighten those up. Put the bolt in the bottom. Tighten that up with the Allen wrench. Now that all our bolts are tightened, the mainstay chair is all together. So let's try it out. It is pretty comfortable. The arms go up on both sides and down, and then the chair also goes up. Chair also goes up. Good amount. And that is about it. So there's the chair. Rolls around nice. It's comfortable so far. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a comment below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.